So welcome back to Custom Dev. In today's video we are going to upload this app to Play Store starting from Android Studio. This is a QR barcode scanner and we are going to upload it to Play Store right now. So the first thing is to check when you are in Gradle here, you will see this Gradle file. As you check this file here and make sure it is one, and the version name you can write any name. The next thing that you are going to create is the AAB file, which you are going to paste it on your Play Store to be verified. So come to build here, generate signed up bundle or APK like that, select this Android app bundle like that, and then click next here. Next, and as you can see here, I had already created this JKS, but I'm going to create a new one. Just click on here, just look for your location here and write maybe qr.jks like that. This is the file that will be verifying that it is your file that you are uploading. It is a certificate or something like that. It is called a Keystore. So click on save, like these informations like the password. You can confirm your password here like that. Also write your password here, the other password. This is the key password. Remember the other one was the path for the Keystore. For the expired date, I'm going to write 100 and fill this other information. After filling all this information, click on OK and next click on release here like that, and then click on create. When you come to build here, you can see that our tasks have been started successfully, and you can see that it is working, and you can see here it have generated this file. When you click on locate, it will open this file here like that. I'm going to leave it as it is open like that, so that I can open the Play Store or the Play console to continue.